Hey, do you know what happened to me yesterday? It was kind of funny.
Oh, yeah. What was it? Tell me.
Okay, so, at lunchtime, right? A friend from work, she brought this big box of peaches.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, and they smelled so good. You know, like really sweet, like summer sunshine.
I know that smell. The best.
Exactly. So I took one, it looked really, really soft and juicy,
hmm
and I took this, like, big bite, and whoosh!
Oh, no.
Yeah, peach juice went like everywhere, all down my chin. Everyone saw, and well, they laughed a bit.
Oh, peaches. They taste so good, but yeah, they can be super messy sometimes, can't they?
Totally. It was funny, but it made me think like, ah, there has to be a better way, right? I looked like a little kid eating it.
Huh. Yeah, I think we've all been there. But yes, there are easier ways.
Like what? Tell me.
Well, I learned this trick. Just cut the peach into small pieces first, like little cubes.
Oh,
Then you can just pop them in your mouth. No mess.
that's actually really smart. Why didn't I
Yes.
think of that? I always just bite right into them.
A lot of people do. It seems like the natural way, like an apple.
Yeah. But I remember this one time. Uh-oh. I was eating a peach in my car. Big mistake.
In the car. Oh, dear.
Yep, same thing. Juice everywhere, but this time all over my clean shirt. It left a big sticky spot.
Oh, no. See, that's usually when people learn the cutting trick.
Definitely. After the shirt thing, I thought, okay, never again in the car. But cutting them first? That's like a real aha moment.
It is. You don't have to face the peach juice explosion.
The peach juice explosion. That's
Yeah.
perfect. Okay, note to self, cut the peaches first. Got it.
Good plan.
So that whole peach thing got me thinking about other summer fruits, like watermelon. Do you like
I
watermelon?
love watermelon. So cool and nice on a hot day.
It really is. Just last week, actually, work had this team dinner thing outside,
Uh-huh.
and someone brought a huge watermelon already cut up into big triangles. It was super cold and sweet.
Perfect.
Yeah. Eating it kind of made me feel like a kid again. Summer holidays.
I know exactly what you mean. Watermelon just has that happy summer feeling.
It does. And hey, I have a little trick for watermelon, too.
Oh, another fruit hack.
Kinda.
Yeah.
So I cut the watermelon into really small squares, little cubes,
Yeah?
and then I put them in the freezer.
You freeze them.
Yeah, they get all frosty and cold. It's like eating like healthy little ice cubes, but they're sweet.
Wow, that's a great idea. Like mini fruit popsicles almost.
Exactly. And, it's cheaper than buying ice cream all the time.
That's true.
Plus it's just fruit, right? So it feels a little
Oh,
bit healthier.
definitely a good choice. Healthy and cheap. Nice one. Okay, what about mangoes? Big fan.
Oh, mangoes. Yes. The taste is amazing. So, so good.
But, I hear but.
Yeah. They can be so messy to peel. All sticky and stringy sometimes. I usually only eat them at home over the sink.
Huh. I know exactly what you mean. The taste is worth it, but the mess. Yeah,
Is there a trick for mangoes too? Please say yes.
there is. It's pretty easy, actually. You know how a mango has that big flat seed inside? Okay, so you cut down along each side of the seed. So you get two big flat pieces like cheeks.
Right, okay. The sides.
Then you take a spoon and you just scoop the fruit out from the skin like you're eating from a little bowl.
Wait, really? Just scoop it. No peeling.
No peeling needed for those parts. It comes right out. Super clean.
Wow. Okay, I need to try that. That sounds much better than my usual mango mess.
It makes a huge difference, trust me. Okay, another one. Have you ever tried freezing grapes?
Yes. Oh my gosh. Frozen grapes are maybe the best snack ever.
Right, they're so good.
They get kind of hard, but still a little soft inside. And so, so sweet. Like tiny little balls of sorbet.
Exactly. Little sorbet bites, perfect description.
They're amazing.
I like to bring a little bag of frozen grapes to work sometimes.
Oh, it's smart.
Yeah, especially for like the afternoon slump, around 3 p.m. when you get sleepy.
Oh, I know that feeling well. The need for sugar.
Right. But instead of grabbing candy, you have these cold, sweet grapes. They really help wake you up a bit, and they feel refreshing.
That's such a good idea. A healthy little pick-me-up. Better than candy for sure.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so with all these amazing summer fruits, peaches, watermelon, mangoes, grapes, do you have Like a number one favorite. It feels hard to choose.
It really is hard. They're all so good in the summer.
Yeah.
But if I had to pick just one, I
Mm,
think maybe peach.
peach.
Yeah, just the sweetness and how soft they are and that smell.
Yeah.
It just really says summer to me.
I totally get that. Peaches are definitely way up there for me too. I think mango might be tied for first place now.
Ah, because of the spoon trick.
Exactly. Now that I know how to eat it without making a huge mess, mango is looking even better.
Uh-huh. See, a good trick makes all the difference.
It really does. You know, thinking back to yesterday, even though I made a mess with the peach at lunch, it was actually nice.
Nice. How so?
Well, just talking about it with my friends, laughing about the juice. It was just a simple, fun moment. Relaxing, you know.
Yeah, I get that. Sometimes it's those little everyday things, isn't it?
Mm.
A small chat about something simple.
Exactly. And it made me think talking about food, especially something everyone knows, like fruit, it's such an easy way to connect with people.
That's very true. Everyone eats, everyone has foods they like, or maybe a funny story like yours.
Yeah. Or a tip, like cutting the peaches or freezing the grapes.
Mm-hmm. It's common ground.
You know what I should do? Next time, maybe I'll bring some of those frozen grapes to work to share.
Oh, that's a nice idea.
Yeah.
That people would love that.
Yeah. Maybe start a new healthy snack trend in the office.
You could. The frozen grape revolution.
Exactly. So I guess the main thing, the big takeaway from all this fruit talk is just that simple stuff like enjoying a sweet piece of fruit or sharing a laugh about it. It can really make your day a bit brighter.
Absolutely. It's about
Mhm.
finding those little bits of happiness in the everyday. Simple joys.
Yeah, simple joys. So if you enjoyed this little deep dive into summer fruits and our messy stories
And our smart eating tricks.
and the tricks, definitely hit that subscribe button and give us a like. We'll have more fun chats and useful tips for you.
For sure.
And, now I'm curious, what about you listening? What's your favorite summer fruit? And do you have a special or maybe funny way that you like to eat it? Let us know.
Thanks for joining the conversation here at Kaz English. We hope you found it fun and informative. Don't forget to check out kazapp.uk. That's kazapp.uk for more tips, resources, and interactive practice. Keep exploring, keep chatting, and we'll catch up with you again soon.